how to install or change HEPA filter on the Meaco Dehumidifier. So I got here this machine, and if you rotate it, you can see the placeholder for the filter. You can just simply grab this, and here gonna be our filter installed. Here is my filter. It comes with the machine itself. Here you can see all informations, and you have to remove the plastic bag before putting the filter into that machine. So let me rip this plastic bag. And you can see this is the front side, this is the back side, and you have to put it like this with the front side into this plastic holder. So in the future, if you want to change it, you will have to just grab this and put it outside of that plastic holder. So like this, it should be installed. If it's dirty or if you want to change it, just remove the old one and put here the new one. And just grab this little thing, and you want to put it back inside that Meaco machine like this, and it should click. And now my filter is installed. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.